All right, ladies and gentlemen, so you are going to get a quick tutorial on data sorting. So here I have the Excel file with the Ohio State game predictions, and it's just what I exported from, come on, don't be shy. There it is. It's just what I exported from the Google form. So here are the total Husker predictions that I have so far, and I have different tabs for each one of these. So this is what I'm going to upload for you. So before I do anything else, I'm going to copy this and paste it, and copy the Ohio State and paste it. So the one that I modify doesn't get uploaded, because you're going to get the exact same thing I'm looking at, so pay attention. So Ohio State is here. Nope, running total. This is everything. Ohio State is down here. So here's what we're going to do. First, we're going to sort all of this data. Gosh, I don't want to do this. First, we have to cut off anybody who submitted it late. So what time did that game start? Was it 7 o'clock? I went to the game. It's been a while. It was painful. I want to forget it. How to watch, game summary. Ooh, don't want to look at this. 7 o'clock? Okay, it doesn't matter. It was after 6. So the last submission was 17:35, so that's 5:30 for 5:33. So they were all done in time. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to highlight. We've got to highlight everything, and we're going to go to Data, Sort, and we want to sort by who wins. So sort by who wins, and I'm going to sort it reverse alphabetically because O comes before or after N. We want it to come before N. So if you picked Ohio State, you end up on the top half. If you pick Nebraska, you end up on the bottom half with this loser saying that Nebraska was going to win by 3. Anyway, so what we've done already is we've sorted all the data to see that you had to pick Ohio State in order to win. Final score was nasty, 48-7. So I need to find out what the difference is. So if you know what absolute value is, it's the distance from 0. I want to find the absolute value of the difference. So Nebraska scored 7 measly points. So we're going to take equals ABS, parentheses, this minus 7, because that's Nebraska's score, close parentheses. And there's 14 points difference between MJ's prediction for Nebraska and the actual score. And then I'm going to drag and drop that down because it's everybody's cell D whatever minus 7. So Sophie was only 7 points off. Oh, Tucker was only 3 points off. Righteous was right on, which is sad. He predicted we would have 7 points. Thanks, Righteous. Put my title in, so the NE diff, and then I'm going to put the OSU diff, and they scored a whopping 48 points. So we're going to put equals ABS, parentheses, 35 minus 48, close parentheses, and 13 points difference off there. So now the reason we want absolute value is we don't want any negative differences up there, because when we add them together, then it's not going to be the total difference. So here I'm going to do equals this plus this to find the total diff. And then I'm going to drag it down, and ka-chow, just like that, I found out how many points we were off. Somebody was thinking this is going to be a high-scoring contest. All right, lady, whatever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all of my data again, go to Data Sort, and I'm going to keep this because I still have to have Ohio State winning. So you'll find certain circumstances where, let's see, this individual is 43 points off, but they had the right winner, where this person was 50, or they had the wrong winner, where this person was 55 points off, but they had the correct winner. So in order to win, you have to have the correct winner, and then we go by points secondary. So we're going to highlight all of this data, data sort, we're going to keep this, and we're going to hit add, and we're going to add another rule. The next rule that we're going to sort by is the total diff, and we're going to go with smallest to largest. We want the person closest, so we want smallest, click OK. So now somebody was right on 5:33. Oh, crud. Look at that, though. The game was played on, he submitted it at the right time of day. Ohio State played, okay, let's look at the calendar quick. It is the 8th. I went to this blasted game. When was this game? This game was, look at my nasty calendar. That's scary. Yeah. This game was September 28th. Okay, this game is September 28th. And here's the part that I'm concerned about is he submitted it on October 2nd. Gosh darn it. So all of the rest of these scanning through 27th, 25th, 28th. Okay, I submitted at 5 o'clock. I'm okay. 27, 27, 25, 25, 27, 27, 27. So all these people did it like Friday before, except for this gentleman who nailed it, but it doesn't count, so he gets deleted. Sorry, Charlie. No points for you. So Sophie, congratulations. You're 7 points off. You're the winner, along with Mr. Bo Richter. You two tied for first place. So the next thing I'm going to go through is I'm going to put the rank to these. So that is a whole nother formula. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to transfer this Ohio State file into the Husker game prediction file. So I'm going to do two-finger click down here on my tab. I'm going to double click on it first, and I'm going to call it OSU. And I'm going to two-finger click, and I'm going to go move or copy, check the create a copy, and I'm going to send it to the Husker game predictions so it ends up in the totals. So I'm now done with this Ohio State responses. I can click out, click save, you bet. And this Husker game predictions is the actual file you're going to be adding in. And you notice now I have the OSU tab in down here at the bottom. And it's starting with the running total and then the most recent game. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a rank. So this rank is a little bit confusing, but I'm going to do equals rank of the cell and then the reference. So equals rank, and then it'll tell you the formula. So I don't just want the total difference. I want the equals rank. And with that, I want this number, comma, and then the reference. The reference is all of the cells I'm considering. Close parentheses, enter. 29. All right. So essentially, she got 29 points, as did Bo Richter, because they tied, right? And Miss Buckendahl got 1. Good job. Good job. I'm proud of you. Good job. Now, here's the problem. This is the catch that I have, that this person was far enough off with his prediction. Even though he had Ohio State winning, his score was off a ways. So he should actually be at 9th. And so I'm just going to manually put in 9th, manually put in 8th, 7th, 6th, 5th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, and the rest should be fine. So those I had to manually fix. There's probably a formula for that that's not for today. And so this is going to be the rank points. I think that's what I put, something like that. Nope, I just put rank. Rank. And that's how many points they have. That's all I'm going to have you do for today. There's actually more to it where I'm going to put OSU rank. Actually, I'm going to drag it over. That way I keep the formatting. OSU rank. So the next part is much more cumbersome, and I'm not going to make you do it. There may be an easier way. If there is, I don't know it. But what I would do is I'd go through one at a time. This is why it takes me a while. And I'd see, all right, Sophie got 29 points, as did Bo. And so I'd go through and I'd do a Command F, and I would look for Soph. Oops, there's no Soph in the email address. SUMPH. And it's going to find Sophie for me, and I'd go over and I'd give her 29 points. And then I'd find Command F, B, Rick. And I'd find Bo, and he also got 29 points. And I'd go through and I'd do that for everybody, slowly noting which ones I had done until I had done everybody. And then I would update the formula to include plus this cell and drag that formula down. And finally, I would do a data sort that would give me the new order. For now, all you have to do is make sure that you put the OSU tab inside of this Husker game predictions. Make sure it looks exactly like mine. Save it, hand it in, and you are done. Ta-da! You have the first part of learning the data sort function. That's all.